Here I have VIVO Y91. Let me show you how to enter here the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose here power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. And release both keys as soon as fastboot mode pops up. Here you can also navigate by using volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Scroll down to choose here recovery mode, press power key to confirm it. As you can see, this is the VIVO recovery mode. Here you can navigate by tapping the screen, or you can also navigate here by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. As you can see, here you can, for example, wipe data. Here you can wipe cache partition, restore all settings, or wipe data. You can also here install update by using phone storage or SD card. You may also use system repair mode, or you can use advanced options, and here you've got update with USB. You can also apply update and apps. You can check root integrity. You can reboot with ADB or view recovery logs. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose the back button. And now all you need to do is simply choose reboot system and wait until the device boots into a normal mode. That's it, the home screen pops up, so now you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.